if you ever do roofing, and a lot of people do this, if you don't mind me doing this, they'll put 1x6s up there, and they got true 1x6. Them are 1
Years
by
ago, it
boards.
used to be tongue and groove.
Huh?
Years ago, it was tongue and groove.
Oh my God. Anyways, so I would never put shingles on something like this. I'd be afraid it would leak because of all these cracks. But yeah, because your nails, every once in a while when you put a nail in, it's got to go between.
Oh yeah, exactly.
You know, and then you got a hole in your shingle.
Way over here.
Then you have a hole in your shingle. So they actually had shingles on this thing, nailed all up through here. But you know, look, it's so big you can see through this thing. So if I had done something like this, which would be very expensive, I would have at least put some 3/8 plywood over this whole thing to cover all them huge massive gaps. And so you can notice that in some of these places they put peel and seal, and when you put this stuff down after it sat there for a while, you can forget about it. It just does not come up. You can't pull this, you can't pull it up. You have to cut every seam down through there, pull them boards up individually, because that's the only way they're going to come.
They got the shingles off of them, that's surprising.
Yeah, I'm surprised the shingles didn't stick to them. I guess it's because it's the one with the rough texture on it.
Could be, yep.
Yeah, the one with that smooth texture, you wouldn't have never even got shingles off of it.
No.
But this stuff, once you put it on here, it's there. Once it has a few good hot sunny days, it's never going to come off again.
Right, cheapest skylights can possibly put in.
Oh yeah.
Cheap ones, old bubble skylights had, yeah, they're cheap. So if you put this down, you're going to end up with a trouble. I don't care if you put it on plywood. No matter what you put it on, it's going to stick just like this.
Yep.
And when you go to remove your shingles, sometimes this will stick to the back of the shingles, which it probably did over here, it looks like. It's right stuck like Chuck to the back of the shingles. You can never get it off. But what you'll end up doing if you have any rotten plywood, it gets wet, is you can't take this off. So you literally have to change all the plywood. If you re-shingle your house and you put this on it underneath your shingles, when it comes time to replace your shingles again, 9 times out of 10, you'll end up replacing all the wood with it.
I hear you got a new mascot down there. I didn't see it.
You got to go look at my channel. Yeah. Oh my God. They had a water dam right here. Look at that. How far that thing is poked up. That's crazy there. What?
Yeah, actually, Eric knocked it up from the bottom too.
I was going to say something happened here because that's tight right there. And split. Uh-huh.
See if they come up.
See if they would. Man, what a project you guys got. Gosh. This is a project.
Eric's the kind of guy keep you young.
Oh my God.
Yeah, right?
I couldn't do this type of project myself anymore.
Well, you do the what? Metal roofing, right?
No. Shingles. We do shingle roofing.
I thought I seen you.
My other guys do metal. I got guys that do metal. We've done some metal ones. Not me personally. My other crew. But yep. So yeah, you're gonna have to literally, in order to get the boards off, which is gonna take off, this stuff won't peel up, so you have to take a knife, cut in between every single one of them.
Score it all, right?
Yeah, score every piece and then pull it up, because that peel and seal will never come off of your roof. I recommend not using it, to be honest with you. Just get you a good synthetic felt paper and forget about this stuff here. You have enough pitch. There's actually enough pitch on this thing to where they didn't need anything except for maybe metal in the transition. So if it was me, I would have put metal right there in the transition to keep water from being able to get underneath, and then forgot about this stuff here.
Like Eric said,
That's the good pitch.
This guy had a deal on a lot of stuff. That's why he did what he did.
Yeah, plenty of pitch on this thing. But so yeah, Paul, this is it tearing this down. Just tearing it right off completely and building a different roof on this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, yeah, and them old bubble skylights are the worst skylights you can buy for a house. If you're gonna buy a skylight, people, don't ever buy the cheapest one. This is a bubble skylight, and they are the hardest ones to keep from leaking. Sometime over time they're gonna leak. I would definitely go with the Velux no leak skylight. It comes with a kit with flashing all around the whole outside, and it sticks up about 3.5 to 4 inches, so you can step flash it. Nice piece on the bottom and a nice piece on the top. You can check out my Velux skylight videos if you'd like. All right, well, Paul, we got our work cut out for us, so let's get out of here. We still got a whole pool to tear down.